me on that way. But don't settle for something if you can possibly. Don't worry about making the most money this week.
Achieving your financial goals requires having money and proper skills to being able to manage it well. Therefore, it's crucial to understand how to get it, manage it, and stimulate growth. The truth is that basic financial ideas are simple to comprehend. They have remained unchanged for countless centuries. If you comprehend and grasp these 9 essential money rules, you can individually amass wealth beyond your greatest ambition. Number 1. Save and grow your money. Saving is the first financial rule, no matter how simple and basic rule it may appear. Even while it might seem obvious, a very few people actually do this. For instance, when you purchase a new iPhone or place an order for coffee from Starbucks, are you paying them by using your hard-earned money? In short, you are spending your money rather than saving it. Keep in mind that the greatest approach to save money is to pay yourself first and then to other companies to buy their products. As a result, the secret to becoming wealthy is your capacity of savings. You should be ready to use as much of your money as you can in order to increase your wealth. We advise you to set aside at least 10% of your income in savings. In order to incorporate this and achieve that savings percentage, you might need to reduce some of your leisure expenses, but ultimately, you should always have some cash on hand. Of course, at first it may not seem like you are saving much, but with time, and in particular, if you follow the other money principles, this will quickly mount up. Number 2. Multiply your savings by investing. Although it's fantastic to save money, there are a lot more ways to make more of it. You must realize that without a second source of income, accumulation of wealth is going to be challenging. You must take into account that there is a cap on the amount of hours you can work each day in order to make more money. Keep in mind that if you put in additional hours, inflation will eventually result in 3% annual loss in value for the money in your bank account. Therefore, you must use your money to generate additional income in order to increase your wealth. In other words, you must invest your money. Make sure to invest as much of your savings into investments as you can. The most common investments are stocks, bonds, and real estate. Essentially, it all revolves around purchasing assets and letting them grow without your involvement. Therefore, try to come up with new strategies to use the funds in your bank account to purchase assets that have a higher chance of growth. Number 3. Plan your retirement to secure your future income. Nobody wants to work for their entire lifetime. You will eventually get older and you might not work as hard as you did when you were younger. Planning your finances is therefore crucial to avoiding such circumstances. If you have money invested in assets, it is crucial to keep that money invested long and often. If you withdraw that money before you retire to spend it, you can run out of money when you most need it. Additionally, keep in mind that time and compound interest can benefit you while enhancing your wealth in the long run. Remember that it's important to seize every chance if you want to create long-term wealth. Number 4. Don't spend more than you have to. To avoid being consumed by your lifestyle, you must learn to live within your means. It is normal to want to spend more money than you make when your income rises. But if you want to accumulate more wealth, you must resist this need. Even though it can be difficult to believe, leading a more frugal lifestyle will help you accumulate more cash. Therefore, it's crucial to make sure that your total spending is less than your income. Only when your income rises should you increase your expenditure. After that, you can save or invest the remaining funds. If you adhere to these guidelines, you will discover that your wealth will increase at the same rate as your income. Keep in mind that every dollar you earn increases your wealth. Number 5. Avoid high-risk investments and protect your money. There are many ways to invest your money, but keeping your money safe is the most crucial factor. Losing your capital is dreadful because it means that all the effort you put in to earn that money got wasted. Therefore, it's crucial to only invest in things you've carefully considered and are certain will increase in value over time. Because you can be confident you won't lose money even if growth is slow. So, before you purchase any asset, do your study. Confirm that the potential benefits outweigh the hazards and are supported by actual data. When something sounds too good to be true, it is best to do extensive investigation before taking any action. Number 6. Your home can be a lucrative investment. A house, the most significant expense in a person's life. Therefore, your house will make you much more money than any other asset if you can use the money you have put in it to your advantage. The most common approach for some to use real estate as a leveraged investment is to purchase a home. Furthermore, by remodeling it, they can raise its value. The best part about purchasing a home is that you frequently receive tax benefits. For instance, in some nations, appreciation may not be taxed. In other words, the goal is to enhance your wealth by using your residence as one of the means. Number 7. Increase your skills to earn more money. Your capacity to make money is closely associated to your income. In other words, you'll need to be smarter and more talented if you want to earn more money and have more money. You can study books, go to networking events, take online classes, and more to advance your knowledge. Any action that raises your intrinsic worth in society will boost your financial gain. Of course, generalizing this type of learning is not a good idea. In other words, working in sales while reading a book about spaceships won't make you richer. For each skill improvement you prioritize, you should take the possible return on investment into account. Your value will improve as a result of improving your skills, which will also boost your income. So keep in mind that you can constantly upgrade your knowledge and abilities to put yourself in a position to make more money. Number 8. You always need to minimize your taxes. The 8th money-making rule is to always try to reduce your tax liabilities. Despite your income level, you should always be considering ways to reduce your tax obligations because taxes regularly reduce your income and investment returns. They might prohibit you from building wealth over time. For instance, the S&P 500 reported an average nominal yearly return of 11.09% during the previous 30 years. The real return an investor would have seen, however, would only have been 5.97% when taxes, fees, and inflation were taken into consideration. According to this analysis, taxes, fees, and inflation have taken 46% of your return away. You can, however, take a variety of steps to reduce your taxes. Start by utilizing tax-deferred investing accounts. Maximize your 401k or 403b contributions. Use an IRA and make use of a health spending account, HSA. Taxes should rank among your top financial considerations if you don't want to hand over your money to the government. Number 9. Surround yourself with people better than you. Surrounding oneself with people who are superior to you in all facets of your life is the 9th guideline to being wealthy. If your family is holding you back, put distance between yourself and them. Don't let your family hold you back from accomplishing your goals. Friends, look for those that are advancing your character. Let the wankers go. Let the haters go. Drop the lazy ones. Work, find a mentor who has accomplished the goal that you are dreaming of. Simply observe them and see what they do if they lack the bandwidth to meet you. You may pick up a lot of knowledge there. You have to earn it, just like previous discussed rules. Find persons that can assist you with that. If the life you were born into is not what you desire, you don't have to accept it. Work harder and things will surely start turning around soon. Tell us a bit about yourself now. Which of these guidelines will you begin implementing in your financial life? Also, do watch the video popping up on your screen to know what Warren Buffett wants to tell about personal finance.